Materials for cleaning are tools we use to remove dirt, making our environment tidy, easy, and effective. Common materials found in homes include brooms, mops, buckets, brushes, and dustpans, each serving a specific purpose. A broom sweeps the floor, a mop cleans wet surfaces, a bucket holds water, a brush scrubs, and a dustpan collects dirt. Using cleaning materials correctly means utilizing each tool for its intended job for effective cleaning. Taking care of these tools ensures they last longer. Wash brushes, hang mops to dry, store brooms dry, and avoid rain. For safety, never use cleaning materials as toys, avoid broken tools, and prevent slips from soap and water spills. Teaching children the proper use and care of cleaning materials helps maintain a safe environment for everyone.